Hi everyone, welcome to Lana's Kitchen. Guess what we're making today? Rice Krispie treats. Can't wait. You'll need 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 cups of marshmallows, and 6 cups of Rice Krispies. This is a kid-friendly recipe. You just put in the 4 cups of marshmallows with the 3 tablespoons of butter and let it begin to melt, stirring it frequently. Looking good so far. The marshmallows are almost melted. Once they are, we'll show you the next step. Looking really good so far. Marshmallows are almost melted. Next, I'm going to spray down a glass pan with some cooking spray so that the marshmallow Rice Krispie treats do not stick. I'm now adding the Rice Krispies, 2 cups at a time, stirring it into the mixture of the marshmallow and butter. Next 2 cups.
Do you want to add some more cups to the measuring cup?
It looks so good. Definitely the hard part, getting it into the pan and then flattening out the Rice Krispies. Take a wooden board with some cooking spray and flatten your Rice Krispies so they're nice and even. And they're all ready. In just under 15 minutes, you have a delicious dessert. Homemade Rice Krispie treats. These are the gooeyest, most delicious Rice Krispie treats.